What is energy balance? The first law of thermodynamics, often referred to as the conservation of energy principle, states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, only altered in form. For a system, this can be simply written as the summation of all energies into the system is equal to the summation of all energies out plus the change in storage of energies within the system. On what principle does a distillation column work? Distillation is a process used to separate a mixture of two or more components based on the difference in their boiling points. For example, a mixture containing water and a low concentration of ethanol can be distilled to separate the two components to give us a product solution containing a higher ethanol percentage. What are the different outputs of crude distillation? Some of the common products obtained from crude distillation are petroleum, naphtha, gasoline, diesel, asphalt, kerosene, LPG, jet fuel, and fuel oils. What is chromatography? Chromatography is an analytical technique used to separate a mixture of chemical substances into individual components by exploiting differential affinities, that is, the adhesion strength of the components of the mixture towards the stationary and mobile phases. What is PFD? A PFD is a process flow diagram. It is a diagram commonly used to indicate the general flow of the plant process. It displays the relationship between major equipment of a plant facility and does not show minor details such as piping details and designations. What are the differences between PFD and P&ID? A PFD is a diagram commonly used to indicate the general flow of the plant process. It displays the relationship between major equipment of a plant facility and does not show minor details such as piping details and designations, whereas a P&ID, that is a piping and instrumentation diagram, is a pictorial representation of piping, equipment, instrumentation, and control devices. What are the instruments you can provide in P&ID? On P&IDs, the following should be provided: correct control valve selection such as pneumatic, motor, etc., control valve sizes, tag numbers, and failure positions, control valve isolation, block valves and drain vents, control valve bypasses. All control loops are shown including any logic, all instrumentation is shown, alarm and trip set points, vessel level alarm and trip set points, tapping sizes on equipment or piping. What is the purpose of the cause and effect matrix? The cause and effect matrix, represented as CEM, is one of the basic documents for safety analysis, and its purpose is to evaluate the safety systems of a process plant during its design phase. CEMs are presented as a matrix with the causes being listed in the vertical section and effects listed in the horizontal section on the top. The intersection between the row and column is termed the cause effect. Causes can include events like process upsets and equipment trips, while effects include process responses like equipment or instruments to be shut down or started, etc. What is FEED? FEED, or front-end engineering design, focuses on both technical and approximate project costs. It forms the basis for the detailed engineering stage. Typical activities carried out during FEED include process design basis, heat and material balance, process flow diagrams, piping and instrumentation diagrams, line list, equipment list, hazardous area classification schedule, process datasheets, process description, operating, control, and safeguarding philosophy, process simulation, calculation report, HAZID and HAZOP study. What are the various unit operations used in the process industry? Unit operations involve physical changes or chemical transformations to the process components. Some fairly common unit operations include crystallization, filtration, evaporation, adsorption, drying, and heat exchanging. What is the difference between CV and kV? kV is the flow coefficient in metric units. It is defined as the flow rate in cubic meters per hour of water at a temperature of 16 degrees Celsius with a pressure drop of 1 bar across the valve, and CV is the flow coefficient in imperial units. It is defined as the flow rate in US gallons per minute of water at a temperature of 60 degrees Fahrenheit with a pressure drop of 1 psi across the valve. Define compressible and incompressible flow. The flow in which the density of fluid changes significantly can be termed as compressible flow. compressible fluids are mostly gases, and the flow in which the density of fluid is negligible can be termed as incompressible flow. Incompressible fluids are generally liquids. Define choked and non-choked flow. When pressure drop across the control valve is increased by reducing downstream pressure or increasing inlet pressure, the flow rate across the valve increases. Such flows are termed non-choked flows. And as we increase the pressure drop, a point will be reached where further increase in delta P will not increase flow rate across the valve anymore. This condition is termed a choked flow condition. What is Reynolds number? Reynolds number is the ratio of inertial forces to viscous forces of the liquid. It tells us whether the flow is in the laminar, transition, or turbulent region. Reynolds number can be expressed as Reynolds number is equal to the product of the fluid velocity, fluid density and diameter to the dynamic viscosity of the fluid. What are the input parameters required to size control valves? To successfully size a control valve, you would require the following inputs such as pressure drop, inlet pressure, flow rate, temperature, fluid properties and pipe dimensions. Describe pressure drop criteria in the selection of control valves. The valve shall be sized for normal operating flow at normal pressure drop. Differential pressure for the valve shall not be less than 10 psi. If the system cannot afford 10 psi or more drop through the valve, a butterfly, eccentric disc or ball valve should be considered. What is the objective of pressure safety valve sizing? A PSV, a pressure safety valve, is a safety device designed to protect a pressurized vessel or system during an overpressure event. An overpressure event refers to any condition that would cause pressure in a system to increase beyond the specified design pressure or maximum allowable working pressure. Define set pressure and accumulation. Set pressure is the inlet gauge pressure at which the pressure relief valve is set to open under service conditions, whereas accumulation is the pressure increase over the maximum allowable working pressure of the vessel, expressed in pressure units or as a percentage of MAWP or design pressure. What is meant by chattering? How can it be eliminated? Chattering is the rapid opening and closing of a PSV in quick succession. The resulting vibration may cause misalignment, seat valve damage, and, if prolonged, can cause mechanical failure of valve internals and associated piping. In this video series, the questions given in Chapter 17 from our Handbook, Process Plant Design and Simulation Volume 1, will be answered. The handbook is a must-have for any process engineer with an interest in process simulation, providing you with the building blocks that would eventually have you simulating entire systems independently. Get yours today. The link is available in the description.